Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the simplest, yet most powerful trading strategies I've ever used. Because when you combine Bollinger Bands and RSI, you can actually find high probability setups that can bring profit almost every single day. So stay with me till the end, because I'll break it down step by step, and after watching this, you'll be able to apply it right away. Alright guys, here's the logic behind it. Bollinger Bands show us how far the price has moved from its average. When the price touches the upper or lower band, it's usually in an extreme zone. But we don't just enter when the price hits the band. That's a rookie mistake. This is where RSI comes in. RSI tells us when momentum is fading, whether buyers are losing strength or sellers are getting weak. We're basically combining volatility plus momentum to confirm a real reversal point. Now, let's set it up step by step. Add Bollinger Bands with period 5 and deviation 2. Then add RSI 5 with levels at 70 and 30. Here's what you look for. When price touches or breaks below the lower band, and RSI is below 30, then starts turning up. That's a BI signal. When price touches or breaks above the upper band, and RSI is above 70, then starts turning down, that's a sell signal. Alright guys, to help you understand this even better, let's jump straight into the real market and see how this strategy works in live trading. Alright, I'm taking a sell position here. The reason is pretty clear. If you look at the chart, this candle has already broken above the upper Bollinger Band, which means the price is in an extreme zone, or simply too high compared to its average. Then, if we check the RSI indicator, it's also above the 70 level, indicating an overbought condition. The combination of a candle breaking above the upper band and RSI showing overbought usually signals that the bullish momentum is starting to fade, and there's a high chance of a price correction or reversal to the downside. Now let's see how this trade plays out. Okay, nice. This setup once again gave us a solid profit. Now we're going to try the same strategy on another market, just to see if the results remain consistent. Alright, I'm taking a sell position now. The reason behind this decision is quite strong, based on two major confirmations. First, the current candle has touched the upper band of the Bollinger Bands, which usually indicates that the price is entering an extreme zone, meaning it's already too high compared to its average movement. This often signals that bullish momentum is starting to weaken, and the probability of a price correction or downward reversal is increasing. Second, the RSI indicator is above the 70 level, which tells us that the market is in an overbought condition. When RSI crosses above this threshold, it often triggers selling pressure as many traders begin to take their profits. So the combination of the candle touching the upper band and RSI showing overbought provides a very strong confirmation for a sell entry. Now let's take a look at the result. Okay, profit. The price moved down exactly as we expected, confirming that this setup works effectively when both indicators align. I'm taking a sell position here because the candle has gone too high and touched the upper band of the Bollinger Bands. This usually signals that the price is in an overextended zone, meaning it's already too far from its average movement. At the same time, the RSI is also in an overbought condition, sitting above the 70 level, which indicates that buying pressure is starting to exhaust and a potential correction to the downside is likely to occur. The combination of the candle touching the upper band and RSI being overbought above 70 gives us a strong confirmation for a sell entry. Okay, profit. The price moved down exactly as we expected, confirming that this setup works effectively when both indicators align. I'm taking a buy position here. The reason is quite clear. As we can see, the current candle has touched the lower band of the Bollinger Bands, which means the price is currently at an extreme low area. Or in other words, it's undervalued compared to its average movement. In addition, the RSI indicator is showing an oversold condition, below the 30 level, indicating that selling pressure is starting to weaken and a potential bullish reversal may be forming. The combination of the candle touching the lower band and RSI being in the oversold area provides a strong confirmation for a potential upward correction. Now let's see if this setup plays out as expected and gives us a profitable result. Okay, profit on our last trade. And remember guys, no strategy will ever save you if you're not disciplined. Consistency doesn't come from the setup itself. It comes from how well you follow your plan and control your emotions every time you enter the market. So from today, focus on mastering just one strategy first. The one we use today is a great place to start. Simple, powerful, and proven to work when applied correctly. And if you want to learn this strategy in more depth, you can join my VIP group. Inside, I teach multiple high-accuracy strategies and also share daily trading signals that can help you build consistent profits every single day.